Hey loves, so I haven't vlogged in a while, but we are on our way to go to like Ikea and Marshall's. It's like 6 o'clock, so everybody trying to rush because things have been closing early due to the, virus and stuff. So they're gonna.
Oh, I thought my hair was crazy first because I thought this was my
little
hair.
one.
But hi guys.
Hi. So
Wow, you look nice now.
we about to head on out. So I'm gonna take you guys with me because also we going to Marshall's too because my sister got me into like these freaking hygiene videos and crap. And now I was watching this girl today.
Are you vlogging or just posting on Instagram?
No, I'm vlogging.
And Molly, don't say that word.
What, crap?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. So she got me into all of this stuff. So now I gotta go.
And you looking expensive. And you can't be a Poppy on YouTube and they won't pay you.
Oh my god. Girl, please shut up. Expensive.
Goodbye. We're gonna check it out. My mother going to Ikea because she got a new island for her kitchen. I'll show you guys the island when we get back. And I'll show you guys, hopefully we find some cool things at Marshall's. Yeah, to get. So we'll see. Oh my god. Was she trying to do the little left foot right there?
What happened?
She said why Nana was trying to do that. So we'll see y'all when we get inside of the store. I probably would do. I don't know. You like Pericone, don't you? Yeah, it's pretty good. So I found a bunch of stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna pay for it, but I'm gonna do it. This is what I got so far. It was an accident, Sophia goes. And look what I found in here. I'm so hyped for this because I had it in my Sephora bag. And I can't wait for this. And it's sealed. Thank God. And it's only $20. So I need it. Okay. And I got this linen spray and dark amber. I got some body spray. This actually smells pretty good. This would be nice right off the shit. I told you, look at that. Oh, this is by that brand. You see them on Instagram? The sketch, the kitsch. Alright, anyway, I found this. Clean kitchen. It's stinky. I'll leave this one when we get home. Alright, we leave it? Yeah. Oh, okay. We can run up there and just keep that shit. So right there by the luggage in the middle, see that lady standing with the shawl? It is nice. If I had space, I'd definitely get it. Yeah, it's right there where she's standing. This one over here. No, this one right here. They got something on there, and here's these ones, Nani. Okay. Alright, so we are back from the stores. I had to take my wig off, but look what we found. I found it in Marshall's. It's this American Girl skate park, and it was only $39 compared to $100. So that was an awesome find. So Sophia is trying to put it together now. Let me look at the instructions, see if they got some in here so I can see where to put the wheels and stuff. Got, if the phone will stay up for me, thank you. So I found, if you saw me in the store, I found this Laneige lip mask set. Can you believe this, y'all? This was $20 there. This was legit the only one. I found it, so I like snagged it up super fast. So I was hype about that. Then I got this squeaky clean lavender mint body wash by Body Prescriptions. And it's nice. It's like a good for in the morning to like wake you up type of thing. And I love the packaging, how it's purple. It's pretty cool. Found this Ariana Grande body spray in Cloud. And then I found this Nivea Soft Have Fun Tropical Fruit with jojoba oil moisturizer. So, oh good, it has a seal on it. So let's smell it and see what it's like. It kind of smells like liquor. Pretty fruity. So happy to put that on my booty. And I'm really excited about these. These are
It's somewhere in the car because I didn't bring it in.
body scrubs, also by Body Prescriptions. So I got 3. And this one is the pink one, and this one is Cocoa Nuts for You. And it's coconut exfoliating body scrub. This one is kind of open, but okay. Nobody touched it. It's okay. Coconut could go a little bad, you know, sometimes maybe. And then the next one I got is Girl Power Exfoliating Body Scrub in Wild Rose. So I hope this one smells delicious. Rose, most of soap is just like a super faint smell. And then this one is Girl Power Self Care in Rose and Aloe. Oh, I like this one a lot better. Probably because of aloe. Oh, I got these under eye hydrating eye pads. I've been wanting some for a minute, so I'll probably do this tonight. So for wrinkles and under eye bags, and it's like 5 in a pack for like $3.99. I wanted to find some lip masks, but I couldn't really find any. I got some loofahs. I'm not really a big loofah fan, but I wanted to try them again because I haven't tried them in a while. I got some fuzzy socks for when I do my feet, maybe hopefully tonight. Some fuzziness. Your McDonald's is over there on the table, babe. You need to eat.
I know, but can you help me put a pair of shoes on?
Okay. And I found these fuzzy socks. These was the last pair, and these were $4. So love these, and they got the grip on the bottom too. I got this back scrubber. So, but I'm gonna use this all over my body, not just my back. So, ooh, that's nice. Normally I get these from, oh, it comes with the rope so you can scrub it back. Normally I get these from like Five Below, because Five Below normally has them, but it's about the same price. So I got it anyway. I got another large exfoliating body scrub. I love these things, y'all. I got a exfoliating foot sponge. So this is like, it's gonna be rough. This is what I need. And I also found this brand. I normally see this in like, it's called Kitsch or something like that. And I found this. It's supposed to be a headscarf, so it's like a head wrap stuff thingy. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Really, really nice. So I'm happy about this. I got this polka dot shower cap. I've been wanting one because I bought one for Sophia, like a shower cap, but I don't have one like this, and I just thought it was super, super cute. So I'm probably gonna get more if I go back. And then I finally got one of these little rollers. I'm excited to try this. You see, I got one finally. We got some Chevys, which I'm super hyped. I eat flautas. You don't like the sweet sauce, Nani?
Yeah, I hate it.
Oh, I'm so happy to eat this. I'm so hungry.